Good morning. So let's go over the Firestorm indicators and what we did this morning on pocket option with them. So this morning, as you can see, we have only Euro USD up. We're only using one chart. We're going to make this super simple. We're using Euro USD on the 30-second chart here. Here's the 1-minute chart and the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart is technically telling us the future in a way. The 1-minute chart is going along with the future here. And here is the 30-second chart where you're going to be getting those sniper entries from being able to tell the future on these charts, and of course the signals coming through. So when I got in, majority of the trades I took today were because I saw the 5-minute chart here in a pullback. We are in a downtrend here. And we had our signals, which of course give us our accuracy of 92%, 85% to 92%. And we saw this pullback happening. I got in up here with a few trades, and I got in a few times here because I knew it was definitely coming down here. If you don't know about pullbacks, you can easily YouTube them. We also go over them in our step-by-step training when you purchase the indicators. Then right here, we got a sell signal, and here we got multiple sell signals. So that's what caused me to get into my trades today. And let me show you, we had a $48 account we started with, and that was yesterday. There was only a couple good trades to jump in when I got on later on that day. And then today, this was just using Euro USD only. This was from the moment I saw that pullback all the way until now. So I used the entire account balance when I flipped this account. It was from $43. Well, it was 48, but this one was a $43 trade. And here we are now. And there you go. Live account for you. So you don't have to hear, oh, it's a demo. It's not a demo. It's a live account, and this is just some realistic trades, not trading with $1,000 like I usually do. I just wanted to show you what it would be like if you started with a small amount and you grew it using the Firestorm indicators and the signals. And as you know, if you look in our previous YouTube videos and definitely in our step-by-step training, everything was showing over an 80% on the Firestorm momentum. So it was 90% over here, 90% here, and 90% here. So when I got into those trades, I had all the confirmations. We were in a downtrend, everything was going in the right direction, and it just felt absolutely perfect to be taking these trades. So when you join, you will get step-by-step training, you will get access to the indicators, you'll even get beginner Forex training. Now, if you want to get a discount code for the indicators, make sure you click the link in our description and sign up for our pocket option account. And when you sign up under our links specifically and make a deposit, we will give you a discount code for those indicators. Now, if you don't want to, that's totally fine. We have payment plans on the website, and everything is available on the website for you to be able to utilize to get started. We also have binary option signals that are coming out. So when you use our pocket option link, you will get access to those binary option signals. If you want our pocket option link, you can also message us on Instagram at Firestorm Academy, and I will put that up on the screen right here. Firestorm Academy on Instagram, and we will get back to you with our pocket option link, and you will be able to sign up there, and we will send you the discount code through there if you can't find the link in our description on YouTube. So I'm going to do more of these videos as the days go on. I enjoy doing these trades for you guys and these small account flips. Of course, you will see me go back to trading with $1,000 again, but I just wanted to give you those realistic beginner small account experience for you, so you can see that you definitely can make that happen. I can't make any guarantees for you, but I have tons of students here. We have over 2,500 members here, and tons of them absolutely love the Firestorm indicators and use them for binary options on small accounts daily. So if you want more information, you can definitely head over to our website. We have more information there. Our Instagram has thousands of testimonials in our highlights section, and we have tons of posts going over the indicators, and our YouTube channel has even more videos. So see you on the other side, and hope you have an amazing day.